In terms of the Earth's climate system, there are a couple of features of the eastern North Atlantic that are noteworthy. A large circulation, what we call a conveyor belt, that covers a large part of the world's oceans. They're all connected by this conveyor belt. And one important leg of that conveyor belt happens to be in the eastern North Atlantic. And as the climate is changing, there are also accompanying changes in the ocean. In the area around the eastern North Atlantic Observatory, the clouds take on a sort of a hybrid structure in which there are a mix of these fair weather clouds and a mix of the layer clouds to the north, making the complicated cloud structure that we see there. That transition where we change from solid overcast to a broken clouds in the tropics, that's very important to get that correct in models. The area also has a lot of cold air moving to the south from the Arctic, and that cold air typically contains a very pristine air mass, which means that it's not very polluted. And so it's very interesting for us to understand the differences in cloud structure when we have these continental influences over the eastern North Atlantic versus the time when it's just simply a pristine air mass that you might see over a very remote part of the ocean.
The Eastern North Atlantic Atmospheric Observatory has collected continuous measurements for 10 years. Scientists can access the data for free at arm.gov/data.